So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can safely delete 20 GB up to 20 GB of junk on your Windows devices. Now in order to do it, just simply open the settings of a Windows. Inside the settings, simply search for storage. Once you search for the storage, or you can simply go to this option of system, and inside the system, simply go to the storage and hit yes. Now inside here you'll see this option of temporary file that's currently loading. Just simply wait for it to get loaded, and you can easily remove all the temporary files on your system. These are all the files that are being stored as temporary files. You can delete, and nothing of your information and nothing of your important data will be lost. Just make sure that the download folder is not selected, and once you do it, just simply hit on this option of remove files. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.